Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you an easy way to convert a decimal into a fraction. I use this with my students in 7th grade, but I've also used it from grades from 4th to high school. Very simple. Here we have the decimal 275 thousandths. I'm going to do this in a very visual way. We're just going to simply extend the decimal point into the fraction bar. Now we're going to simply place zeros under each digit. And obviously we can't have 0 as our denominator. We need to have some value there. And I tell the kids, I always ask them, well, what needs to go there? And 90% of the times they get it and they say 1. You might even want to tell them to place the 1 underneath the decimal point. And there you have it. I'm going to give another example. Of course, we would simplify this, and this would simplify to something divided by 25. That's another lesson. Let's change this into a different decimal that involves zeros. Okay, so this time we're dealing with 3 thousandths, and the kids won't recognize it as such. They'll have to convert it, and once again, we're just going to extend that decimal point over and to create a fraction bar from that. Under each digit, we'll place a 0. And we'll place a 1 to give our denominator its proper place value. Now, I always ask the kids, do we need those zeros that are preceding the 3? And 90% of the times they answer, no, we don't. So we're going to get rid of those. And I have them rewrite the fraction. And we're left with 3 over 1,000. Adjust it so you can see that. 3 over 1,000. That is essentially it. A very easy, simple, visual way to show your students how, or your child, how to convert a decimal into a fraction. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.